Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video. I'm going to be doing a walkthrough tutorial today of how to file your LLC and your EIN number in the state of Massachusetts. So click the link in the description below. This whole process is really only about 5 minutes. It's really fast, really easy. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube that have like chapters and are like 30, 40 minutes of video. I have no idea what they're doing. I'm telling you, this is so easy and so quick. So as long as you follow along, click that link in the description below and let's just get right into it. So it's going to take you to the Taylor Brands website, and I like using Taylor Brands because it kind of has everything like business related all in one. It just makes it, for me, it just makes it way easier to do what I need to do. So we're going to click Massachusetts and type in the name of your business. It's just going to let you know if it's available for an LLC. Okay, and this is my business. I do eyelash extensions. Now you can hit where you are currently with your business. And what industry do you fall into? So as you type in a letter, you can see like so many options come up and they get really specific too. So you can more than likely find a category that you fall into. And there's eyelash extensions. And then what is it that you're offering? Either a physical good or professional service, or maybe both. So select all that apply for you. And are you planning to hire employees? So let's just say you don't have employees, you file your LLC, and then you decide you do want employees. That's completely fine. You won't have to change or refile your LLC at all. So again, it's just asking where you are at the current moment. And then where is your business operating from? If you do not have a physical business address, you can use the address of your home or the zip code. And then where are you serving your customers? So you're either selling online, which is like e-commerce or a website, brick and mortar, which is some sort of shop or store, or on the go, which is like mobile, maybe a real estate agent or landscaping, something like that. So I'm on the go, but if I had a website too, for example, I can click this and click all that apply for you. Today we're going to get our LLC, so make sure it's highlighted in blue. And then I also want you to click EIN. So your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes, and you're going to need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So at some point down the line, probably within this year, you will need your EIN number for your business. And I also love that Taylor Brands, it's kind of like a one-stop shop for everything business related. Like if you need a license or a permit made, or maybe a logo for something, you kind of have the options to do all that here. So click whatever else you may need, and we're going to go to the next page. This is just a survey. We can skip this. And you discovered Taylor Brands through YouTube. Okay, and Taylor Brands is offering, this is just a free 12-week business coaching program. I love this. I feel like, first of all, it's free. If I can learn something that helps me make more money in my business, amazing, right? So click join the program if you want. You can hit no thanks if you don't. And now you're going to type in your personal information. And create a password. And real quick, you guys, if you see this blue line at the top here, you can see we're almost halfway done already. So let's just keep going. Now they're asking, would you like Taylor Brands to create your EIN number for you, or do you want to do it on your own? So if you choose to do it on your own, it's through the IRS website. I personally feel like the IRS website and government websites in general are kind of outdated and difficult to navigate. You can also only file it on there Monday through Friday. So if it's the weekend, you have to wait till the following week. And Taylor Brands will do it for me for $99. I feel like it's completely worth the stress and hassle of having to worry about doing it through a government website. So I'm going to have them do it for me. And as far as assigning a registered agent, so a registered agent is essentially like a fancy word for who's going to receive the mail in regards to your business LLC. So if you live in Massachusetts and you're opening an LLC in Massachusetts, you will be your own registered agent. Now, if you happen to live in some other state, but you're opening the LLC in Massachusetts, you'll need to appoint someone that lives in the same state. And your accountant may have suggested this for maybe tax benefits, something like that. But again, if you live in the state and you're opening it in the state, you will be your own registered agent. So you can click this here. Are you sure? Yes. And every single year you have to renew your LLC, and that's no matter what state you live in. So if you forget to do it, you'll be charged a bunch of late fees and fines and just annoying stuff that we don't want to pay for. So make sure you handle it every single year, renew it. They'll notify you first, so it's not going to like come up and surprise you, but you have to do it. If you think you'll forget or you don't want to deal with it or you just have a lot going on, Taylor Brands can do it for you. It's $199 a year, so something to consider. But to save some money, I will handle the compliance. And we're just going to hit no on the branding toolkit. And this is to get our LLC expedited, sent to us in 2 days. It's $49. I like this option because I want my LLC as soon as possible. But if you're not in a rush, they can send it to you in 2 weeks. Okay, and you don't need to worry about an operating agreement. So click I'll figure it out myself. And we're going to hit no on the formation kit. Okay, and this is a really cool service they offer. So if you, let's say you've started your business and you don't really have like a system set up yet for how to keep your finances organized, or maybe your business is growing really fast and whatever system you were using is just not cutting it anymore. So they offer a service where they get you really organized with all of your bookkeeping, your finances, your invoices, all that good stuff. It's a free trial, and then they give you like some price plans at the end. So definitely recommend checking it out if you're at that stage in your business or you just want to level up right from the beginning. If you don't want to do it and you want to manage it on your own, you can click this option here. And yes, we'd like to get notified about our LLC. And you guys, they offer 3 different plans. You can check them out, but we only need this light plan for today. Now it's going to give us a breakdown of what we're paying for. So the Massachusetts state filing fee is $520. That's just the mandated state fee no matter where you file your LLC. We're also getting that free business coaching program, and we're paying for that 2-day expedited filing for our grand total today. Now, after your LLC is created, then they will process your EIN number. So don't be surprised when that second charge comes in. That's just for the EIN. Okay, now after you enter your credit card information, it's going to ask you about, it's going to ask your address and some other personal information. I always put my home address. Since I'm mobile, I don't really have like a business shop or store or anything like that. And if you're selling online, e-commerce, you can also put your home address. I've never had issues with getting like spam mail, junk mail, anything like that. It's just for them to contact me if they need something from me in regards to my LLC. So highly recommend putting your home address if you don't have a storefront. But that's it, you guys. You've just filed your LLC and EIN number. You can see this was so fast and easy. But if you do have questions, leave them in the comments below. I'm more than happy to answer. And I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I will see you guys in the next one.